beer, it's good for you.
Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we'll be looking at two useful enhancements made to the BrewMonk Wi-Fi platform just recently for summer 2024. So let's get started. Here is the BrewMonk online brewing platform, which can be found at mybrewmonk.eu. Once you have a free account and have logged in, head to My Recipes. You can see in the top right of the screen that there is a new function that allows you to import recipes that are XML format. This is a recipe save format that is supported by most brewing software, including Brewfather and Beersmith. As you can see, when you select this function, you also have the option to input your intended volume and your average BrewMonk efficiency, so that everything lines up correctly and is to your volume requirements. You then simply locate the recipe file that you wish to import on your computer or device. Once your recipe is imported, you can then see on the left-hand side of the screen that your brewing profile is automatically created to cover the whole brew along with on-screen alerts. On the top right of the screen you can see all of the recipe's vital statistics, and below this all of your ingredients. Certainly I know this will please a lot of people who, like me, have grown accustomed to using a certain brewing software platform and simply want to import recipes from that software into the BrewMonk software. This new feature has been fully tested as working well by the BrewMonk team, but for now there is a beta tag in case any small adjustments are needed once this is tested on a much wider scale by the public. Let's now move to the next new feature by heading back to the My Recipes section. If we now search for the word clean, you can now see that there are 3 new custom profiles for cleaning. The first of these from the left, as you can see, is for the system's first ever clean, then after brew clean, and then finally pre-brew clean. Let's now take a closer look at after brew clean. Within this screen you can see how this works. The first alerts will prompt you to dump your brew residue, then rinse the system with water, and then add 5 litres of water to your BrewMonk. Once this is all done and you have accepted these steps as done, the system will then start heating to 65 degrees Celsius, ready for the further steps that you can see below. I find it a very nice touch and certainly very useful that these alerts are displayed on the BrewMonk screen. Here are some examples. This makes not only brewing but also cleaning now very easy for even the totally new beginner to get started on their homebrewing journey for a fully guided experience. I do hope that you found this video useful, informative and interesting. If so, why not consider liking and subscribing? For further support you can join the channel's Facebook group, and if you would like to support the channel then check out the channel's merchandise store, as all profits go back into the channel. Until next time, happy brewing!